In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on Instagram. So first, find and open Instagram app. Go to your account by clicking on your profile icon in bottom right. Then click on three lines in top right. Here select Settings and Privacy. Go to Account Type and Tools. Then click on Switch to Professional Account. Click Continue in all pop-ups. Select your account type. You can select if type should be displayed on your profile, then click Done. Now select Business and click Next. Now you can check and add your contact info and press Next or click on Don't use my contact info. If you want to connect Facebook account, select Login to Facebook. Otherwise, click Skip. Now you can complete all steps or just click X on top left, and now you have business account. When you go to your profile, you have professional dashboard. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.